Okay, guys, so the focus for this video is going to be about the importance of constituency tests before you start drawing syntactic trees. Okay, so it says Sam applied for this position, and Sam noted down his suggestions. Now, you might have noticed there that my intonation was a little bit weird, right? So if we notice Sam is a noun, applied is a verb, note is also a verb, for, down, both prepositions, and then we've got a determiner, which is this and his, and a noun, position and suggestions. And you would kind of think, well, if they've got the same, word classes in the same order, then we would expect the constituents to be the same. But you just noticed that my intonation was a bit weird, right? So, well, let's find out anyway if for this position is a constituent. Well, let's try and put it in the cleft, in the focus position of a cleft sentence. All right, so it was for this position that Sam applied. That seems okay to me. Now let's test if down his suggestions is also a constituent. So it was down his suggestions that Sam noted, and that sounds absolutely terrible to me. So that asterisk indicates that that sentence is kind of goes against native speaker intuition, so therefore it's ungrammatical. Okay, and I don't mean ungrammatical in the sense of like, some grammar lord like Larrey or something has said it's wrong. No, that's what the native speaker feels is wrong. Okay, cool. So the fact that down his suggestions is not a constituent and for this position is a constituent, we need to reflect that in our tree. So Sam applied for this position. For this position is all under one node of the tree. This node is all this node is exclusive for this position. Yeah? Why? Because for this position it's a constituent. Okay. Now we decided that down his suggestions is not a constituent. Now, if you notice, down his suggestions is not all under one constituent. I mean, wrote down his suggestions is, because wrote down his suggestions is a constituent. But we have to test that. We can't just say that. You have to prove it. For example, Sam wrote down his suggestions and Kim did so too. Yeah. Now, did so too replaces all of this. Now, that's evidence that this is a constituent, and the tree reflects this fact that these four words are a constituent because they're all under one node in the tree. Now, I mean, you can do other sorts of constituency tests like the ones I've shown in the other videos. So, for example, you could say, what did Sam write down? Boom. His suggestions. His suggestions is is the sentence fragment. Okay, so in that case, I'm giving evidence that his suggestions is also a constituent, and therefore they're under one specific node of the tree. Okay, I hope this information helps, guys.